Welcome to Glow Up Skin. If you're tired of feeling self-conscious about the skin on your neck, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you some easy and natural remedies that can help lighten dark patches on your neck, and you'll start to see results in just a few days. So sit back, relax, and get ready to achieve a brighter, more even skin tone on your neck. Here are 5 DIY remedies for dark neck that can help lighten the skin in just a few days. Lemon juice and honey. Lemon juice has bleaching properties that can help lighten dark skin, while honey can help moisturize and nourish the skin. Mix equal parts of lemon juice and honey. Apply it on your neck and leave it for 20 minutes before washing it off with water. Baking soda and water. Baking soda can help exfoliate dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Apply the paste on your neck and gently massage it in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes before washing it off with water. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing properties that can help reduce inflammation and lighten dark skin. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on your neck and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it off with water. Potato juice. Potato juice contains enzymes that can help lighten dark skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Grate a potato and extract its juice. Apply the juice on your neck and leave it for 20 minutes before washing it off with water. Oatmeal and yogurt. Oatmeal can help exfoliate dead skin cells, while yogurt can help moisturize and nourish the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of yogurt to form a paste. Apply the paste on your neck and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it off with water. These DIY remedies for dark neck are simple and easy to make at home with natural ingredients. With consistent use, you can see results in just a few days. Remember to also maintain a healthy lifestyle and protect your skin from sun damage to prevent further darkening of the neck area.